Education is the key of success. With the lines and notes I was the respected principal and all the staff of my academy and my dear friends. This is the way with the standing room for commanding. My friends for prayer. Studies. Attention. Studies. So I like leaders for class.
Wish you very good morning, Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal, and all the hardworking teachers of Uttarakhand Academy and dear friends. This is Neeraj Kalawadi on behalf of class students standing here, say the pledge. Ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of it. I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be loyal and virtuous citizen of it. I shall also respect parents, teachers, and elders. As also kindness to animals, to my country, and I went school. I place my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. May God give the countrymen peace and prosperity. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. all the staff members of Trend Academy, and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Vivek Singh Kitwal from 6th standard, studying here to say thought. And my thought is like that. Happiness is not the key to success. Success is the key to happiness. I repeat my thought once again. Happiness is not the key to success. Success is the key to happiness. I translate my thought in Hindi. सफलता खुशी की कुंजी नहीं है, खुशी सफलता की कुंजी है. Thank you very much.
I would like to call our seniors for news.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the staff members of Training Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, very warm good morning to all of you. This is me, Gitanjali Joshi, from 11th standard, standing in front of you to deliver today's news headlines. My first news is from International. Accountability for peacemaker attack essential. And my next news is from International only. Trump proposed 10% plus tariff on African Caribbean nation. And my next news is from National. Rahul Gandhi writes PM Modi to seek JK statehood restoration. And my next news is from sports. PV Sindhu exists in Japan, opening first round. And my next news is from economy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi offers green light GST revamp. And my next news is from temperature. Today is the maximum temperature of Bagasur is 32 degrees Celsius and minimum is 23 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Good night.
I would like to call our seniors for article.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Training Academy, and my dear friend. First of all, very charming and good morning to one and all present here. This is me, Gaurav Kitwal, once again standing here to present my article. And my today's article is based on the famous book, The Power of Your Subconscious. It was firstly published in year 1963. In today's article, we are going to cover its first lesson, which is the treasure within you. What does it mean? It simply means that the hidden ability and knowledge inside of you. Every person having its own ability and knowledge, but he unable to recognize it and seek the outer world for the solution and peace. The master secret possessed by the great minds was not their discoveries and invention. It is their ability to control over their subconscious mind. Everything we do in our daily life is controlled by our subconscious mind only. And Dr. Joseph Murphy also described that the law of happiness or a happy life is the law of belief in yourself. In everybody possessed by this power in this world, you do not have to gain it. You have to recognize and understand to apply in all departments of your life. Now, how does our mind work? Always remember that our mind is like a soil which accepts every kind of seed, whether it is a plant of apple or a hemlock tree. No matter that is poisonous or non-poisonous, it grows both of the plants similarly. As same with our subconscious mind, it accepts both kind of thoughts, even it is positive or negative, and respond according to the nature of the thought. And according to the various psychological research, over 90% of our mental life is subconscious, and remaining 10% is our subconscious mind. The person who fails to use the marvelous power of the subconscious mind, and he deems themselves in a very limited area on his life. The great writer Mark Twain also confined that the power of subconscious mind is the most powerful thing you have, and all his great honor and his great writing were the result of that. Now, how to get the result we want? Not all the prayers are answered. It means that not all the desires and goals are easily fulfilled. It requires a lot of patience, hard work, and confidence behind it. The lack of confidence and efforts is the major reason for a failure of success. And Joseph Murphy also described that never put yourself in a negative way. Always take rise over positive things. And the concluded thought from this article is, great mind can lead and as well led. Thank you. Have a nice day.
To ask you some question, how much intelligent you are? So I would like to work Mathura for ask you some question. The more you learn, the more you realize how much you don't know. In this wonderful quotation, Honorable, the more you learn, the more you realize how much you don't know. In this wonderful quotation, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal and all the staff members of Training Academy and all my dear friends. This is me Bhargava. We have four classes standing here to ask you some question. And my question topic is country's and old name. So my first question is, what is the old name of Iran? Yes, sir, answer this correct. The correct answer is Persian. My next question is, what is the old name of Sri Lanka? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Ceylon. What is the old name of Thailand? Correct. The correct answer is Siam. My next question is, what? My next question is, what is the old name of China? I repeat my question once again. What is the old name of China?
China old name.
The correct answer is Cathay. My next question is, what is the old name of Bangladesh?
East Pakistan.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is East Pakistan. My next question is, what is the old name of Myanmar? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Burma. My next question is, what is the old name of Malaysia? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Malaysia. My next thank you. Have a nice day. So I like to small kids for poem.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Shwasi Kapuri from class 13. Today my Hindi poem is Jaan Gaya Apna Sara. गाना और गाना में सूरज आता तारे आते हब्बा चले सी रहने दे को साथ सूरज आता ना पूरा अपना देता दुनिया को उजियारा इसके बिना कहीं न कहीं जान गया अब तक सारा दिन में टिम टिम तारे करते कैसा रूप बनाते हैं जितनी भी हम कोशिश कर लेना ही नहीं पाते हैं My English poem is boat sail on the river and ship sails on the sea. But a cloud has sailed above the sky, are pretty than these. There are peace on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the boat at the beach heaven, and over of the seas, and the wheels are on farm under the sky, is beautiful than these. Thank you very much.
Sunita Hudwala for motivators.
कर्ण कर्ण विराजमान मां शारदा के इस पावन प्रांगण में उपस्थित आदरणीय प्रबंधक महोदय, प्रधानाध्यापिका महोदया, समस्त शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, आप सभी को मेरा सुप्रभात। आज मैं आप लोगों के समक्ष एक ऐसे विषय पर बात करना चाहती हूँ जो सुनने में तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है पर सोचने में बहुत गहरा लगता है। तो वह विषय है मेरा सबसे खतरनाक। तो कभी भी जब भी हमारे मन में एक विचार आता है, हमारे माइंड में हमेशा एक विचार आता है कि आखिरकार इस दुनिया में सबसे खतरनाक क्या है। तो बच्चों, पहले तो मैं आपसे ही पूछूंगी कि आपको सबसे खतरनाक क्या लगता है। आपको इस जीवन में सबसे खतरनाक क्या लगता है? क्या कोई प्राकृतिक आपदाएं जिसमें सब कुछ तहस-नहस हो जाता है? या कोई युद्ध जहां पर हमारे देश के सैनिक या बहुत बड़ा आक्रमण हमारे देश में हो जाता है, क्या ये लगता है? नहीं। तो आखिरकार क्या आपको सबसे खतरनाक लगता है? डोंट नो। ओके, तो आज मैं इसी विषय में आपके सामने एक बात रखना चाहती हूँ जो हमारे पंजाबी कवि अवतार सिंह पाल जी की कविता में कहा गया है। उनकी कविता का नाम है सबसे खतरनाक। तो वो कहते हैं कि इस जीवन में सबसे खतरनाक होता है हमारे सपनों का मर जाना। क्या होता है सबसे खतरनाक? हमारे सपनों का मर जाना। क्योंकि बच्चों, हमारे जीवन में हमारे सपने ही हमारे आगे के भविष्य को निर्धारित करते हैं। अगर हमारे जीवन में हमारे सपने ही नहीं रहेंगे तो हम कोई भी काम आसानी से नहीं कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि विद्यार्थी जीवन ही एक ऐसा जीवन है जिसमें बच्चे सही दिशा में कार्य करता है, एक अच्छा ऊर्जावान वह रह सकता है, अपनी ताकत को वह दिखा सकता है। अगर वह सपना वह पूरा ही नहीं करना चाहेगा तो देश की प्रगति आसान नहीं है। क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा कि आज़ादी बहुत बड़ा मूल्य है। इस मूल्य को चुकाने के लिए हमारे देश के अनेक स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपने जीवन का बलिदान दिया। क्या वह कहीं एक सपना नहीं था? क्या वह आज़ादी जो हमें मिली, कब मिली थी हमें आज़ादी? 15 अगस्त 1947। तो क्या जब उस समय जो क्रांतिकारी थे, क्या उन्होंने हमने अपने देश को आजाद कराने के लिए सपना देखा होगा ना? यस या नो? अगर वो उस सपने को पर खरे नहीं उतरते, क्या आप आज आजाद होते? नहीं। तो वही है कि आजादी के लिए अगर हम डट कर उस आजादी को पाने के लिए सपना देख लेते हैं तो हमें वह स्वतंत्रता जरूर मिलती है, वह सपना हमारा जरूर साकार होता है। अगर हमारे सपने ही मर जाएंगे तो हम कोई भी काम आसानी से नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि हमारे जीवन में सपना होना बहुत जरूरी है। तो अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी, अवतार सिंह पास जी की कविता की कुछ लाइनें आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करना चाहूंगी। मेहनत की लूट सबसे खतरनाक नहीं होती, मेहनत की लूट सबसे खतरनाक नहीं होती, पुलिस की मार सबसे खतरनाक नहीं होती, गद्दारी लोग की मुट्ठी सबसे खतरनाक नहीं होती, गद्दारी लोग की मुट्ठी सबसे खतरनाक नहीं होती, सहमी सी चुप्पी में जकड़े जाना बुरा तो है, सहमी सी चुप्पी में जकड़े जाना बुरा तो है, सबसे खतरनाक नहीं। तो बताइए सबसे खतरनाक क्या है? हमारे सपनों का मर जाना। तो अपने सपनों को जीवित रखें, उनको सही दिशा दें, क्योंकि हमारे जीवन का सही दिशा ही हमारे लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति होती है। मान लो हमारी कलाई में घड़ी बधी हुई है, तो यह घड़ी हमारी कलाई में बधी हुई है, तो यह हमारी निगाह में रुकी हुई है। अगर हम इस घड़ी को अगर ध्यान से सोचे इसके बारे में, तो यह भी अपनी प्रगति की ओर बढ़ते हुए जा रहा है। तो इसी क्रम में हमें भी निरंतर आगे की ओर बढ़ते जाना है, पीछे कदम नहीं हटाने हैं। धन्यवाद। आप सभी का दिन मंगलमय हो।